Since 2001, Maximum Heating and Air Conditioning has been Aurora's trusted HVAC expert. Is your air conditioner struggling? Let's explore if it's time for an upgrade. Is your air conditioner over 15 years old? Frequent repairs, rising energy bills, and inconsistent cooling are signs it might be time for a replacement. Older units using R22 refrigerant can be costly to maintain due to environmental regulations. If these issues sound familiar, it might be time to consider an upgrade. Upgrading to a new air conditioner offers many benefits. New models are more energy efficient, reducing your monthly bills. They provide consistent temperatures and better humidity control, enhancing comfort. Environmentally friendly refrigerants lower your carbon footprint, and smart features offer precise control. Plus, a new system can increase your home's value. Deciding between repair and replacement? Consider the $5,000 rule. Multiply repair cost by the unit's age. If the result exceeds $5,000, replacement may be best. Also, check warranty status. New units often include coverage. Weigh short-term repair costs against long-term savings and comfort from a new system. For expert advice and service, trust Maximum Heating and Air Conditioning. Contact us today at 630-788-4688 for reliable guidance. Your comfort is our priority.